Hi everyone, welcome back to Falcon's House. This is a real quick thing to just take a look at. This is the settings on the Xbox Series X on the Epson 5040UB. Basically, all it supports is 4K, which I think still is an improvement over last gen where it wouldn't actually natively support 4K. It would try to upscale it. So, still something, but it does seem to have some limitations of which should be expected based on the hardware limitations of the 5040UB. So I would recommend a 5050UB if you're going to be using a Series X or some other display. Once I get my Eve Spectrum, I'll probably do a lot more on there. So I ended up having to put my Xbox on its side facing out because when it was going up to the top, it was just blowing the hot air right into the top of the next shelf, and it was causing weird HDMI flicker issues, I think. So and it was like the air coming out of it was super hot, whereas if it's on its side like this, the air is warm but not hot. So I'll have to do more testing of this today to see if this actually fixes it. I tried different HDMI cables last night, and it would just start to flicker, and then it would go out, and I'd have to like change inputs and change back, and then it would work again. It was really weird. So hopefully my Series X is not defective, and it's just this overheating thing, and this will fix it. But it is something interesting to note with this, and I'm going to have some videos with the Epson 5040UB and this coming up, but I need to resolve this first. Future me here. I decided to just roll all of my existing Series X content into one video and put it out that way. Obviously there'll be plenty of more Series X content coming. I kind of want to wait for the Destiny 2 2nd gen patch, or Series X patch, or whatever we're going to call it. So right now I'm going to do some load time testing. There's plenty of places out there that have done testing with timers and stuff. So I kind of wanted to show, instead of putting a timer next to it, show like how much faster stuff loads, because I can effectively load all of the games I'm testing as fast as I can load just one game on the One X. And then I will probably do the direct comparisons at the end, but I might not even have a timer. It's more about feel than the actual number. Like, the fact is a second or two doesn't feel different, but 30 seconds or 40 seconds really does feel different. And I think that's more useful than just seeing a number about comparisons. And that's like kind of the problem with on PC, where we have NVMe drives that might load it 1 second faster than a normal SATA 3 SSD, which isn't really a noticeable difference and probably not worth the extra money. Anyway, here's the video clips.